Hello. Are you looking for a hack to test your irrigation after your landscapers show up? My name's Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona, and I'm going to show you how to do a test run on the rain dial sprinkler controller. So this is the hack that I want to show. So if you have it normally on program A is normally where you run all your turf valves. And then program B, typically here in Arizona, we're running a lot of our drip valves, and a lot of times C's open. Sometimes there's, valves, separate valves just for flowers, or maybe you separate your trees, but a lot of times it's open, most of the time we find. So I'll show you that on A, if you move this down here at the bottom to set programs, it'll show you that zone 1 is set for 10 minutes, 2, 10 minutes, 3, 10 minutes, and this just goes on all the way to zone 6 for my turf zones. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to program C. And what I've done is I have program C set for 1 minute for each zone. It's a great way to just run every zone on your property for 1 minute. Now, you don't really want this zone running, so I made certain that all the days are off. See, as we go through each day, it says off on the screen. And then the start times here at the bottom, if I scroll through them, they're also off. It's not showing any start time, so it's never gonna come on zone C, setting C, sorry, apologize, setting C. But we want setting C to run 1 minute each time. The way to do that is to put it back on run or manual. So you need it leaned over here to run or manual, this middle switch. And this semi-auto button will run an entire program. So I have it on C. If I wanted to run just my turf sprinklers and I want to run everything, I could just run semi-auto program to run all of A, but I want to just test my zone. So I'm gonna leave it on C, and I'm gonna hit this semi-auto button. And when I press it, you're gonna see on the screen, you can see that zone 1 came on right there. And it'll run simultaneously one zone after another, 1 minute at a time. And that's a great way to quickly see all your zones running 1 minute at a time. If you had 12 stations on this, and you had all 12 of them running for 1 minute, it would take you 12 minutes to literally see if you have any geysers or anything at all going on with your irrigation system. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any other questions or concerns, or maybe need some help with your irrigation system, feel free to contact us here at AMS Landscaping over at AZLawns.com. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook at AMS Landscaping. Also check us out on Instagram and Twitter at AZLawns. Make it a great day.